Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact video file and noting its container and visible specs. This matters because containers can hide tracks. Open Media Info, VLC, or run FFprobe now. These tools reveal raw streams. Once open, check container, duration, resolution, and frame rate so you have context. This helps you interpret bitrate numbers later. Make sure to choose the primary video track and not audio or subtitle streams. That prevents confusion when you read the reported bitrates. Now you measure. If using FFprobe, run it with show format and show streams and read the stream's bitrate field. That gives bits per second. If you use Media Info, read overall bitrate and the specific video track's bitrate so you know total versus video only. For VLC, compute manually. File size divided by duration gives average bitrate. If the file uses variable bitrate, export a bitrate graph or compute an average across segments to get a meaningful number. Finish by verifying the numbers. Compare the container overall bitrate with the video stream's bitrate so you understand overhead. If a tool shows no bitrate, calculate average. Multiply file size in bytes by 8 and divide by duration in seconds. That yields bits per second. If results disagree a lot, suspect variable bitrate, hardware encoder flags, or damaged headers, remultiplex the file or rerun analysis on a short segment. If problems persist, try a different tool to rule out parts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.